What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the Smoky Mountain Homestead. Today we're going to show you our corn harvest and how to prepare it for freezing. Let's get growing.
All right, everybody, the family's out here. We learned our lesson and because we didn't harvest from the large cornfield quick enough. So we're gonna get out here on this small cornfield and just start picking away at any of the ears that look worth picking. We're gonna throw them in our wheelbarrow, we're gonna take them up, blanch them, and then freeze them. So that's the plan. Let's get picking, guys. Yeah, pick them up and throw them in, babe. You wouldn't know it. You wouldn't know it, but we actually have softball players in our family. You wouldn't know it, but so hail came through here and knocked a bunch over, so just because it's knocked over doesn't mean it's not good.
You missed. Wow, Dad.
Did I score?
I don't get the point.
I get a point.
Just to pick them, you know? So that's our little
Mom, pass that to me.
corn harvest. They really like throwing them. It's fun. Isn't she cute? She's mad at me. Alright, we'll show you the final thing when we get them full. Alright guys, so we're going to start the blanching. I'm not a pro, I've never done this before, literal first time, just kind of documenting it. We're going to cut the ends of the corn, the boys are going to peel it. Then once we get a good pile of it, we're going to put it in this boiling water. It's going to boil for about 4 minutes, and then we're going to put it in a bath of ice water, and then we're going to bag it. So I'm going to cut them. Let's take the nicest looking one. And yes, this might seem wasteful, but everything that gets cut off at the end, we're gonna give to the piggies, okay? So don't worry, no waste. I'm just kind of feeling where it feels like the corn stopped, and then I hand it over to Jackson and Riker, and they will peel away. Lots of bugs, lots of worms, so we're gonna peel off the fuzzies before they go in, okay? I like the machete. I saw this on another video, and I'm like, that's the way to go. There's not much of that corn. Thought I might get something out of it. believe when this happens is because they didn't get good pollination. But I'm not sure.
Smells like corn.
We're down to the last little bit, so we're gonna stop and then we'll start it back up when we're ready to start the blanching process.
All right, so I'm a newbie at this and I've never done it before, but apparently to blanch corn, you boil it for 4 to 5 minutes. So we're gonna put it in this basket thing right here, and that, and then we're gonna dip the basket into the pot or the
fryer,
whatever you want to call it, and 4 to 5 minutes is all it needs, and then it's done. So just gonna load it up right now.
Is the water boiling?
Yes. Or I don't know if it's boiling yet, but it's going to soon.
It was starting to bubble, right?
Yeah, I was starting to bubble.
So I think we ordered too big of a blancher, huh?
I guess so. I mean, this will be nice in the future for
chickens and stuff. Let's get it blanching.
All right. Not quite boiling, but that's pretty warm.
It was bubbling when we took the basket out. All right, guys. So at 8:10, we will take it out and put it in. Okay?
Sounds good. Okay.
Go.
All right, so it was we left it in a little longer than expected because it never really boiled it, and it's like barely boiling
It's
now.
just bubbling a little bit.
Yeah, it's 8:15 instead of 8:10. Yeah, now we're just gonna take it out.
What are we gonna do with it?
We're gonna put it in some chilled water so it stops cooking.
This had ice in it earlier.
It did, but no.
It was pretty hot.
Yeah, it's a little warm.
All right, so we're just gonna let it chill in here. This water's super cold. And that's supposed to stop it from cooking. We'll be back in a second. All right, guys, shake them a little bit before we get them in. And then bag it. All right,
That bag's good. That might be too much.
Yeah, take a little out. All right, 1 gallon bag of corn. Bag, right? We don't put a bag. All right, so that's our bags.
All right, guys, so this is our corn harvest this year. It was a lot better than last year. Hopefully next year we can do even better. If you like this video, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Adios.